Have you heard about the brand new Canvas features in Google Gemini? This incredible AI tool is honestly mind-blowing. It can transform your simple ideas into complete project in just few seconds. So this video is for you. I am going to walk you through the latest Gemini features of 2026 and show you how they can boost your creativity and productivity. So for that, simply log into Google Gemini, and after that there is a chatbot where you can write a prompt. So simply I am going to write a prompt. I want to create an email. So now you can see these are some feedback that is created by Google Gemini. I have option 1 and then option 2, from where I can choose okay which response, which email I like. So I can choose from here. But for now it's not my focus. What I want to show you, these informations are uneditable. So for that, if you want to do editing, just right here. So Google Gemini have a new feature, and for that you will click on tools, and from there you will choose canvas, and I will write a prompt here to create email for me, to write an email for me. And I will choose the option of thinking, or you can choose an option of fast and pro as well. It's completely on you. So I will choose pro option and then submit. So now you can see the response is quite different from the previous one. So this is a very detailed response, very organized. And beside that, the most important thing is I can edit all this information just right here. Before that, we were copying all the information from here and to paste in a Word file or somewhere else, and we were doing editing there. But for now, there is no need to do laborious procedures. You can do editing just right here. You can exclude and include all the information just right here, and it's really simple. But believe me, this is really something very amazing. It can save your time, and you can give a precise and organized shape to your text just right here. So I will move toward another feature, and for that I will click on new chat. So I will write a prompt here that I need a calendar for my YouTube channel Knowledge Elevator. So now you can see I will write a prompt and then I will submit. So this is the feedback that Google Gemini just gave me. So now the calendar is completely done. Now you can see how organized and how amazing it is. And I also can edit all this information just right here if I choose the option of canvas. So it's really something very amazing. I will move toward another feature. So for that I will click on new chat. So what you can do, for example, if you have an Excel file and you want to make a figures and bar chart of all this information, so what you can do, simply attach the file. I will attach the information that I have already, and I will write a prompt here. Believe me, your prompt is really important. If you write a very good prompt, then your feedback will be amazing that you will get from Google Gemini. And also, this is the same thing that can implement on Perplexity and ChatGPT, because the prompt is really important. So I will write a prompt, and then from the canvas, from the tools, I will choose the canvas option and also thinking, and then I will submit. So it will take a while. Now you can see the response that I got from Google Gemini. So these are a kind of coding that is created on a back, and this is the final look of the figure that I got from Google Gemini in just few seconds. And this figure is based on the Excel file that I attached with my prompt. So now you can see when I am going to touch the bars, and you can see the detail is also showing here. So it's really something very amazing, because before that you can create this type of figures in Canva, and also you can create an Excel, but that is time taking process. But when it comes to Google Gemini, you can do all these things in just few seconds. So when you finalize everything here, you can simply download. There is an option of share when you click here. So you can simply download all these figures that you just created in a few seconds. I will move toward another feature of Google Gemini, which is how I can create a picture in Google Gemini in just few seconds. And for that, I will click on the new chat. And when you click here, so now you can see this is the interface of Google Gemini. So you can see there is an option of tool. I will simply click here and then click on create image option, because we are going to create picture. So when I click here, now you can see these are some options, some templates available over there that I can choose. And according to that, I can proceed my add picture. So I will choose color block and then I will write a prompt here. So your prompt should be amazing and that should be detailed. And then you will be able to get a very good feedback from Google Gemini. So now you can see in just few seconds they create a picture for me that I can use for different purposes. So it's really look very amazing when it comes to few seconds effort. And it's downloadable, and also you can share with you can say with your client, and you can use it for different purposes. So there is another option. I will click on tool, and then from here I will click on create music. I want to create a music that should be according to the picture that I will upload. So for example, I upload a picture and I write a prompt here that create a music for me that should be linked to the picture. Like I will write here, analyze the vibe of this photo, generate 30-second music for me. So now you can see according to this picture, and Google Gemini will create a music for me. It's really something very you can say unique when it comes to few seconds effort. So now you can see this is something that I create in just few seconds. So look how amazing is Google Gemini now, and how perfect new features that we can use, and how perfectly we can include all these things in our daily life. So that's all from my side. If you like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe Knowledge Elevator. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.